check. This is a tallow soap, so I want to check if it foams. They say I know you saw me make this soap. I just posted the video not quite long. Depending on when you're watching it, I made it without foam booster. Let's see if it will foam. I used only tallow. These are soaps we produce. I just finished a 2-day physical training in our factory. These are the soaps we made. So my students are also here. So I also want to show them, because we made this type of soap again, I want to show them if it will foam without foam booster. So let's see. So is it foamy?
Yes.
So is it foamy?
Yes.
So is it foamy? So people that are telling you lies that tallow soap will not foam, go and tell them that they are liars. So have you seen? I did not add foam booster. Just use the right formulation. Your soap will foam. I did this soap using the saponification value methods. Can you see? Can you see how foamy it is? I did not add any foam booster. You saw the video and I just posted the video. And I used only, the soap is so strong, very strong. I cut it the same day I made it. I cut it just about 3 hours after I made it. It's very strong and you can see how foamy it is. Can you see how foamy? I did not add any foam booster. And yet it's only tallow, pure tallow. If you see this, just watch the last video on my channel. You see that it's the soap that I made, orange color soap. Can you see? And see how foamy. So yes, if you use the right formulation with tallow, with palm oil, yes, your soap will foam. Thank you so much. Hope you've subscribed. Hope you've liked this video. Don't go without liking it. And please keep sharing my videos so others will learn what you learn. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Okay, so this is day two of Lagos physical training. Yes, so please take your soap one by one in your hand. Let's see. This is day 2 of our Lagos physical training. These are the soaps that we learned. These are the soaps that we learned how to do. We have people here that came all the way from Abia State, from Nasarawa State, from Ibadan, from Oyo State, from Ekiti. And we've been here for 2 days. Just for 2 days, we're able to produce these beautiful soaps. There are some that we've not even caught that are here. Can you see? And the ones that we have caught. We learned everything from soap making, to branding, to marketing, to NAFDAC, to everything that you need to talk about. And I'm also here to mentor them because I've created a group for them where they'll be there to ask me questions. I'm not just training them to leave them. I will still be with them in the group. When they need to ask questions, I'll be there to answer them. Can you see how beautiful the soaps we produce are? So if you're not here, if you see my advert for a training next time, ensure you don't miss it. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. So who want to tell me, how was the experience? Mama, how was the experience with this training? Was it worth your while?
Yes,
it's worth your while. And you learned that you came. You're glad that you came. Mr. Dangote, you're glad that you came, right?
Yes.
You're glad that you came.
Yes.
So you can.
I'm glad.
So you've heard from them.
I'm glad I'm here.
You can see you've heard from them. You've heard from them. You've seen them. We learned everything from using cutting machines. We use stamping machine, different stamping machines. Can you see? So we did everything. So if you missed this training, ensure that when you see the advert for, in fact, I'll be having another training in Port Harcourt on the 1st and 2nd of August. So if you're in Port Harcourt, ensure you don't miss that training. And if you're in Ghana, I'll be having another one on the 22nd, 24th of August. Ensure you don't miss that. People that missed my first Ghana training, they are already regret. So ensure you're not part of them. Ensure you're there, you'll be glad you did. I'll not just teach you, I'll also ensure I mentor you to ensure you make profit. We did these beautiful soaps with all this white soap with just 4 liters of oil. We did it using the semi-hot method. Can you see? We did this one using the soap value, and antiseptic soap. We did it using the soap value method. And this one is our code method. We use this with this our code method. Can you see how beautiful our soaps are? So if you missed the first one, ensure you don't miss the second one. We did everything from packaging. Look at how we packaged the soap. Very beautiful. Using a shrink wrap.